we're going to make these. So I have my Bond Crafter UV resin, and I'm going to go ahead and fill some of these hearts up halfway, not all the way to the top. And then here I have some epoxy resin pigments that I mixed into some UV resin, and I'm going in with my dotting tool, alternating from black to white. Just a little bit of drops. And then this one, I took some red, black, and white, and I'm alternating with my dotting tool. Just different little drops. This is super fun and easy to make, and can be like a really pretty gift if you want to give them away to someone. And then this one I used purple and black, and it was kind of dark, so I went in with some white. And now I'm going to use my nail drill, very slowly, and I'm going to make a swirl. How cool is that? I just love that. So now you're going to go ahead and take your UV light and cure it for 2 minutes. And here I have some cups I filled with a little bit of UV resin, and I'm going to add some black and silver holographic glitter. And I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. And now we're going to go ahead and add that to the back of our pendants / keychains. It could be anything if you want to make them those. And these would make really pretty gifts for the upcoming holidays. So we're going to go ahead and cure that again for 2 minutes. And here we're going to see how they look. Look at that. How pretty is that? Oh, I love this one. This one turned out so beautiful. And this one's pretty too. It's kind of dark, and I had a little bit of overspill, but it still turned out pretty. I had so much fun making these, and they're so easy to do. Look at that. Here's a close-up. Definitely could be a keychain or a pendant. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.